guys, my name is Rohit and you're watching Rohit's Feed. In today's video, I will be dealing with how you can download Metamask in Microsoft Edge or any browser. So before starting with the video, I want to request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's move towards our browser. Now, as I have Microsoft Edge open, now I will search for Metamask, and now the first link. Now you have to click on the first link, the metamask.io, and now you will have all the details about that Metamask wallets and its all cool features. So you can also read that if you want to, or otherwise just hit on download button and it will be asking you for which browser. It will be auto detect your browser like Chrome. Now I am using Edge. iOS, if you are using an iOS device, so you can also get for that, and if you are using an Android device, the Android application is also available. Now as we are going for Edge, now I will click on install Metamask. Okay, now I will click on get. Now I will add the extension. Okay, it is very super easy, just follow the steps. Okay, now it's getting downloaded over here. Okay, it's around 17.7 MB. Okay, the file size is of 17.7 MB. It's super less. Okay, now the extension is adding to the Microsoft Edge. Okay, the extension is successfully added. Now we have to click on this extension icon and click on Metamask. Now Metamask, a small pop-up will be appearing. Okay, now it says welcome to Metamask. Now you have to just click on get started. Okay, if you already have an Metamask account and have the secret recovery key, so you can import the wallet directly over here. Or if you are a new fresher like me and want to create a wallet, so let's click on create a wallet. Okay, so you have to give some permissions to them. So click on I agree, and you have to create a strong password, minimum 8 characters. So I will create my password for it. Okay, I have successfully created a Metamask password. So make sure you always use strong password with the combinations of uppercase and lowercase, at least one symbol, and if it is remember, you can also use numbers to it. Now these are the tips for how you can secure the wallet. Now just if you want to, you can watch this video or just click on the next as basic detail. Okay, now as you can see the secret recovery phase, this is very important phase. Okay, for every user it is different, and it is very important to recover your wallet. If you lost this, your funds will be also get lost. Okay, I will copy this and paste in a notepad. And paste. Okay, I will just click on next. Now you have to confirm the secret recovery phase. Now let's check author DBT petrol repeat example junk recycle include and father. Okay, as you can see, I have successfully selected all the secret recovery phrase. I will confirm it, and now it says congratulations, as our wallet has been created. Now we have to just click on all done. Now here is the words new feature about that, and boom, we have Metamask activated over here. Now as you can see, this is Ethereum mainnet. means on this wallet is now running on Ethereum blockchain. If you want to add network like Polygon, Matic, so you can also give them get the details from the Google, and we will add this later on. So basically you can also get for like a Binance. We have very cool features like Binance change is also there. Okay. Okay, this was a tutorial about how you can add Metamask to the your browser, and I hope you find this video informative. And soon I will be also telling you how you can add and withdraw from this Metamask wallet. So it's super easy, and if you need your accounts, if you want to deposit over here, so click on buy and scroll down. You can also get ETH from these services, or if you have ETH in your other exchange like OKX, as I have mentioned in my previous videos. The OKX link is in the description. You get a very cool fees rebate on your sign up. So just view account, click on view account, you will get a QR code over here. So you can also scan the QR code and get this address. Okay, if you want to send this is your wallet address, Ethereum wallet. So you only send Ethereum on this wallet, so the coins will be get credited on here. Or you can also view on Ethereum scan to check the details about this account. Okay, so this was all about Metamask, how to install Metamask, and I hope this video will be informative, and please make sure you like this video and comment down below how do you find this video. And that's all. I will be seeing you in another video. Till then, bye.